Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're using an HP docking station G5 and facing issues like connectivity problems, display glitches, or devices not being recognized, a firmware update can often fix everything. Many users overlook firmware updates, but they are important because they improve compatibility, fix bugs, and enhance overall performance. The tricky part is that the update process isn't done directly from the dock, it requires your computer and the correct HP software tool. The good part is that once you follow the right steps, you can update the firmware quickly and keep your docking station running smoothly. Try these. Step 1. Connect your HP docking station G5 to your laptop. Step 2. Go to the HP support website on your computer. Step 3. Download the latest firmware update tool for the dock. Step 4. Open the downloaded file and run the installer. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions to install the firmware update. Step 6. Restart your system and test the docking station.